Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onye Best and you're welcome to Onye Best Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing okay this wonderful morning. Okay, if you're just coming across my channel, you are welcome. You are most and highly welcome to my channel. Okay, in this channel we'll talk about the Patente B license, and this time we translate it for English and pidgin for a better understanding. Okay, so there's no excuse, just go out there and get your license, guys. Okay, so whatever you don't understand while making this video, I always tell you to leave it in the comment section. After these videos, I'm going to go straight up to the comment section. If there's any question right there, I'm going to answer it straight up. Okay, please, if you've not subscribed, hit the subscription button. Don't end it there. No, please turn the notification bell on so that as soon as I do a video or I'm going live, like I usually come live, okay, so that we'll do quizzes, so you can as well participate. Okay, now let us jump into this video. We still do on Segnale di Indicazione. Now, if you're just following us, please go back to chapter 1. There's a playlist for these videos. We have chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, 4, so till you get to this chapter. But do not forget, anytime you see a video, jump right into the video, still go back to chapters and follow us again. It is important not to miss any of these videos. Okay, we still have classes. We do classes as well. If you're interested in the classes, you can take my number from the screen and, of course, chat me up so I can add you to the group. This is Preavviso di Deviazione Temporanea. Now, this is not temporary deviation. It means say e no dey permanent. Why it be temporary? We will see why it be temporary for this video. Number one reason why it be temporary. Now, when you see for yellow background like this, it tell you say, this thing a temporary deviation. It no go permanent. So we actually do like this because we did do some road work. Okay, there's a work in progress in this road. You see, for yellow background like this, what comes to your mind? Oh, it is actually temporarily. There's what they are working on this road. That is why this sign is placed here. È un segnale di preavviso e temporaneo di cantiere. È posto in prossimità di un incrocio che precede un cantiere stradale. Now, you see for road where they did do road work. The reason why it's being placed here, they put on for junction will be say afterwards there's a road work. Vieta a tutti i veicoli di proseguire diritto e indica il percorso sostitutivo. Novara è comunque raggiungibile. Now, you're heading towards this direction and you're going to Novara. This is Novara. Okay? Now, this straight up road that take you to Novara, this time around, due to this road work, you can't go straight up again because there is a work in progress here. This is segnale di pericolo. Attenzione. Tells you be careful. There's a work in progress. So for this reason, una no go fit go straight up to get to Novara. But Novara is still reachable, meaning that you can still get to Novara, but not straight up. You have to go through the temporary deviation to get to Novara. So initially, we dey go straight up to get to Novara, but this time, due to this road work where they happen, so we no go fit use straight up to Novara, but road still the way go carry us go Novara. It is this way. Basta. Now, integrato con il pannello estesa, indica che la deviazione è lunga 2 km. Non indica la distanza della deviazione. Now, when you see this particular pannello integrativo, this one with the right 2 km here, so what does it tell you? This is the length of this particular place, not 2 km. Okay, so the length where this particular road work affects, the stretch, the longness of this particular place, this particular deviation, not 2 km. Okay, it affects 2 km part of the road. Okay, now this not the longness, this not the length. That is why you see these two arrows beside it. Now, when you see this particular pannello integrativo, you see with 2 arrows. It tells you of the longness, the lunghezza, the length of this particular place. Okay, without the arrows tells you of the distance. So don't mistake this one for distance. This is not tell you of distance. This will tell you of the lunghezza. It tells you of the estensione, the estesa. Okay, that is why there's two arrow here. Because most people confuse the distancer from the estesa. Okay, so without the arrow, it is the distance. Plus the arrows beside it like this, it is the extensor, which is the longness. Okay. Now, Novara, like I said, this city where they go so, it dey reachable. You go fit go there, but you no go use straight up road they reach there again this time because there's a road work. Okay, there's a temporary deviation. I hope you understand. It is not hard, guys. It is not hard. So what happened next? I'm going to do a video coming up soon. Please, if you've not on your notification bell, you're going to be missing out. Try to on your notification bell. Immediately you subscribe, you are going to see a bell by the side. Turn it on so that my videos, immediately I post a video, you'll be notified. You will go watch it, can understand more. Okay, I'll be dropping a video very soon on still on Sinai di Indicazione, right? So we have to hurry Sinai di Indicazione so we can get right into the next chapter. Okay, see you guys in my next video. I love you. Please do not forget to share my video. You're going to be doing me a huge favor. And immediately you share my video, YouTube will notify me saying you don't share my video. And I don't know. I'm going to bless you. I'm going to pray for you. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.